Hello guys, welcome back with me to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna tonight right now it's it's break time and I'm gonna eat my dinner. But look outside. It was raining before. Yeah, it was raining so hard. So that's why the bird is kind of wet and some water puddles. Night vibes. Yeah, kind of peaceful though. So I'm gonna show you my dinner box. What's inside my? Oh, it's kind of embarrassing to wait, but it's okay. I'm gonna show you anyway. Okay, let's see what's inside. Kind of high. Down. I got this from a friend. This is tempe orek. Yep. And this is dinner. The bonchabi. Oh, wait. Only Vivo left. Hey, that's so fishy. Huh? Wait. I think something is not right. But, well, whatever. Okay, this is dinner. This is spicy wings. Yeah, my mom cooked this. Actually, not cooked, just like fry because it's like frozen food. And yeah, my mom sold frozen food, and yeah, she put this from the morning. Wherever I go here, and this is kinagat. Yeah, and that's all. It's kind of embarrassing because there is no food. Oh, alright. I almost forgot. I thought I forgot to bring the spoon. Okay. Hey guys, I think that's all then of my video. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.